mostly first started on BMX. So you go talk about it.
Alright. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the parts. Now, we'll start with the front. Now, the grips are the stolen money grips with the stolen bar ends. The brake lever is the stolen Tektro brake lever with whatever brake cable, I don't know. The bars are the stolen tall boy bars with the stolen convict stem. The headset, I don't know, it's integrated, and oh, and the pegs are just from my brother's old bike. Yeah, that one right there, the green one. Alright, the forks are the stolen Tornado forks with, yeah, that's it. And then, like, the front tire, don't know. Rim, don't know. Spokes, don't know. Tube, don't know. Alright, next is the other side. Alright, the frame is the 2012 stolen Casino frame. The pedals are stolen Thermalite pedals, nice and grippy, not that bad. Cranks, don't know. Sprocket, don't know. Chain, don't know. C-clamp, don't know. And the seat is the stolen Thermalite seat. Nice, really good, but it's a little slippery when you sit on it. And, well, yeah, that's all I know about the bike, so. Alright, and today I'm just gonna show you how to bunny hop. I'm not gonna say how to, but I'm just gonna show you. See all this record.
I'm gonna try to do something on my new bike.
No, you can just do it in the garage.
Go outside.
Let's see what you can do. Alright, let me do a bunny hop real quick. I'm just doing this bunny hop just to see how high I am.
I wish I know how to do a bunny hop. Oh yeah, and sorry for the bad quality. The camera doesn't have that good quality. So, Alex, do another bunny hop.